Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to delete a Telegram account permanently. Before we begin, please keep in mind that deleting a Telegram account is a permanent action. When you delete your account, your Telegram data may be permanently removed, and this action may not be reversible. So in this tutorial, I will only show you where the account deletion option is located and how the deletion process works. I will not actually delete my Telegram account. Now, let's get started. First, open Telegram desktop on your computer. Once Telegram is open, click the menu button in the top left corner. From the menu, select Settings. Now, open the Privacy and Security section. Here, you will find different privacy and security options for your Telegram account. Scroll down and look for the Delete My Account section. In this section, Telegram may show an option related to automatically deleting your account if you remain inactive for a certain period of time. This option is called If Away For. It allows you to choose how long your account can remain inactive before Telegram automatically deletes it. You can review this option and choose the period that matches your preferences. However, if you want to delete your Telegram account immediately, you need to use Telegram's account deactivation process. To continue, open a web browser and access the official Telegram account deactivation page. On this page, you will be asked to enter the phone number connected to your Telegram account. After entering your phone number, you can continue with the sign-in process. Telegram may send a confirmation code to your Telegram account. After signing in, you will see the account deactivation and deletion options. At this point, you should carefully review the information before continuing. Deleting your Telegram account is permanent, so you should only continue if you are completely sure. For this tutorial, I will not continue with the final deletion steps. Instead, I am only showing you where the process begins and what the account deletion page looks like. If you ever decide to delete your Telegram account, make sure you understand that your account and associated data may be permanently removed. And that's how you can find the Telegram account deletion options and understand the account deletion process. I hope this guide was helpful. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful Telegram tutorials and technology guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.